Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 7th, 2026, and we're diving into Applied Digital's fiscal second quarter 2026 earnings report. Applied Digital, a leader in high-performance data centers, has just released its latest financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Applied Digital's impressive performance this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Applied Digital reported a revenue of $126.6 million for the fiscal second quarter, marking a 250% increase from the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this substantial growth?
The significant revenue growth is primarily driven by the company's HPC Hosting Business, which contributed $85 million this quarter. This includes $73 million from tenant fit-out services and $12 million from rental revenues as their Polaris Forge 1 facility became fully operational. Despite a net loss of $31.2 million, the company has managed to improve its profitability metrics significantly.
And how does this compare to the analysts' expectations?
Interestingly, the adjusted EPS came in at 0, which is a beat compared to the forecasted EPS of 10 by 4 analysts. This indicates that the company is managing its costs effectively while scaling its operations.
Strategic initiatives and operational highlights. Applied Digital has been making strategic moves in expanding its data center capabilities. Can you elaborate on some of the key initiatives this quarter?
Absolutely. The company achieved a major milestone with Polaris Forge 1, delivering 100 megawatts on schedule. They also signed a 15-year lease with a US-based hyperscaler for 200 megawatts at Polaris Forge 2, expected to generate approximately $5 billion in revenue. Additionally, they completed a $2.35 billion private offering and drew $562.5 million from their equity financing facility, which will support further development of their AI factories.
These are significant developments. How do they position Applied Digital for future growth?
These initiatives not only enhance their capacity, but also strengthen their financial position, allowing them to capitalize on the growing demand for AI and HPC infrastructure. The strategic partnerships and financing arrangements provide a solid foundation for sustained growth.
Financial health and balance sheet. Let's talk about Applied Digital's financial health. How does their balance sheet look?
As of November 30th, 2025, Applied Digital holds a strong cash position of $2.3 billion, with total assets amounting to $5.2 billion. Their liabilities stand at $3.2 billion, with the majority of their debt not maturing until 2030. This robust liquidity position provides them with the flexibility to complete ongoing projects and manage their debt effectively.
That's reassuring for investors. What does this mean for their future financing needs?
With a solid balance sheet and strategic financing arrangements, Applied Digital is well positioned to fund its expansion plans without heavily relying on public capital markets. This reduces their risk and cost of capital, providing a competitive edge in the industry.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what can we expect from Applied Digital in terms of growth and strategic direction?
CEO Wes Cummins highlighted their first-mover advantage in the Dakotas, a region attractive to hyperscalers due to its climate and energy resources. The company is in advanced discussions for additional contracts, which could further boost their capacity and revenue. They are confident in exceeding their $1 billion NOI target within the next 5 years, driven by strong demand and strategic investments.
It sounds like they have a clear path forward. Any final thoughts on their competitive positioning?
Applied Digital's ability to secure major contracts and their strategic investments in cutting-edge technology position them as a leader in the data center space. Their focus on sustainable and high-performance infrastructure aligns well with industry trends, making them a compelling investment opportunity.
Key takeaways. In summary, Applied Digital has delivered a strong performance this quarter, with impressive revenue growth and strategic initiatives that position them well for future success. Their ability to beat EPS expectations and secure significant contracts highlights their operational excellence and strategic foresight. Thank you, John, for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Applied Digital's promising outlook.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Applied Digital's performance, so feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.